The purpose of this video today is to outline the basic performance characteristics of an evaporative cooler, identifying what it is and how it performs. Evaporative coolers can vary in size from about 2x2 up to 5x5 in typical greenhouse applications. The way they function is there's essentially a small pond type dish plate that gathers water, which is piped in through a small hose, typically that equivalent of a refrigerator hose. Typically that's winterized in the winter, turned off, hooked up again in the springtime. The way the evaporative cooler will function is there are what are called swamp pads on the side of every corner of the evaporative cooler, and then a small fan that's all wired on 110 volt, so it's very energy efficient, will actually force the fan will blow air over the swamp pad, causing it to cool and flowing it into the greenhouse. The overall effect is it positively pressurizes the room. With the ridge vents open, it will allow hot air to rise out, keeping the cool, moist air in the greenhouse. Typically, you would duct it through a base wall, or in this case, we have it ducted through one of our panels. Evaporative coolers in most areas of lower humidity work better, but even in higher humidity areas do function by pressurizing and taking the hot air out. They're also used at times that humidifiers can be used for cooling, which is another option that we'll discuss later, but evaporative cooler is probably the most economical and efficient method of cooling a greenhouse.